Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory loss on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio, and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.